Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello friends, welcome to KUSH Tech. I'm back again with another video. So guys, before starting our video, please hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you will never miss any update from my side. Now let's start our video guys. Today I'm going to unbox 3-in-1 USB fast charger product by c-koza. It supports auto ID quick charger and yeah, you can also charge your iPhones. The max charging output is 2.1A. So guys, let's unbox it and see what are the box contents. So guys, as you can see that we will get only an adapter of c-koza and it is attached with a USB cable. So guys, let's first check it with the original charger, that how much time it will take to full charge, and then we will check it with this dual USB charger. So guys, as you can see that I am using the original charger of Samsung. It takes 1 hour 53 minutes on the first device and 4 hour 15 minutes on the second device to full charge. Now let's check it with the dual USB charger. So guys, as you can see that our dual USB charger is also taking 1 hour 53 minutes on the first device and 4 hour 15 minutes on the second device to full charge. It is amazing. So guys, now let's talk about its warranty. Well, I have bought it from a local mobile store which is nearby my house, and the shopkeeper says it has a warranty of 3 months. You can replace it with other new one if you faces any problem regarding this charger. You can buy this charger online on the Amazon, but I haven't seen any warranty there. For this you have to talk with the seller of that product on the Amazon. Link is there in the description guys. You can buy it online as well as offline. Thanks for watching friends. Please like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe. Please hit that red box on my channel. Thank you friends.